here for the back side is to slide this back so that the barrel of the hinge is flush with the back here. And this side is actually the one that would go there. The back part here would be notched down so that the hinge would be dead center between this and the lid. So we'll notch a little bit here, notch a little bit in the lid, slide the hinge back, and so it would be right there. The downside to that is when you open up your lid, there's no stop now. So we'd have to put a small cable or whatever lanyard on it to keep it from opening up too far. Probably just over 90, so it wouldn't want to fall down on you, but we do have that spring in there still. So